Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we'll be exploring evidence law. An introduction to evidence law is based or premised on the grounds that when parties bring a dispute in court, usually the court may allow evidence to be adduced in order to help decide which one of the parties is right and which one of them wins the litigation or the dispute. Now, evidence that parties bring to court may be in the form of testimony, documents, videos, voice recording, DNA test, or other objects. The evidence law is governed by the federal rules of evidence. As a general rule, evidence must be relevant in order to be admissible. Moreover, even when evidence is relevant, it can still be excluded by the court. Now, the grounds of exclusion is based on the evidence failing the what's called balancing test. Now, the balancing test states that evidence must be relevant. And if that evidence is relevant, it must have a probative value. Now, this probative value can cannot be substantially outweighed by, for example, confusing the jury, wasting the court's time, and so forth. So that means that any type of evidence that wastes the court's time does not pass the balancing test. And any evidence that is an attack to a person's character, that evidence is not admissible either. For example, if someone is being accused of stealing a car or a TV, and evidence is brought to the jury that in the past this person has stolen before, now it may be very likely for the jury to decide that this person has again stolen the very TV or the car. So that evidence will not be admissible because it will be prejudicial, in this case, to the accused party. Evidence can also be excluded on the basis of public policy.